If sausage night always turns into a clog fest and a cleanup slog, stick around. The right stuffer fixes 90% of that pain in one purchase. In this breakdown, 5 picks are with hands-on style notes about control, cylinder design, speed gearing, air release, cleanup, and tube options, plus the gotchas no one mentions until after checkout. There's an open loop here. By the time the number 1 pick rolls in, it'll be clear which features actually change the experience and which are just brochure fluff, so deciding will be easy.
Number 5. Leevot sausage stuffers. Leevot's 7-pound class stainless unit checks the right boxes on paper. 304 stainless cylinder, adjustable 2-speed gearing, and multiple tube sizes to cover brats through snack sticks, so yeah, it looks like a tidy starter rig for home batches. The appeal is simple: food-grade build, compact footprint, and the expected air control features to keep links smooth rather than bubbly, which is what most first-time buyers actually need. In use, the dual-speed setup does help throttle between fast loading and slower precision for sheep casings, and the stainless tubes feel better than sheet plastic in both feel and longevity. Now the, well, here's what matters part. Tolerances on budget tier housings and tiers can vary, which means a hint of play in the handle or slightly uneven drag down the cylinder if the paste is extra cold or coarse. Nothing catastrophic, but noticeable when switching speeds mid-run. Also, some listings waver between 4 and 5 tubes. Not a deal breaker, just set expectations before planning a specific snack stick diameter for a weekend cook. Bottom line, a friendly entry that succeeds on value and core features, but consistency and accessory clarity aren't as dialed in as enthusiast-grade stuffers.
4. VEVOR sausage stuffer. VEVOR's manual 7-liter vertical unit is the first step into serious home or light commercial territory. 304 stainless, large 7-liter capacity, dual-speed gearbox, and an air release system that genuinely reduces bubbles for smoother texture, especially on bigger runs. The capacity is the headline. Not having to refill every few pounds keeps rhythm steady and makes it easier to maintain even pressure through an entire coil, which matters when chasing repeatable link density. The dual gear setup is a real advantage, letting the fast gear retract and reload quickly, while the slow gear manages delicate casings and finer diameters with fewer blowouts. Cleaning is easier than expected because of the removable parts and smooth stainless surfaces, and that translates to more frequent use since teardown doesn't feel like punishment after dinner service. That said, a candid note, VEVOR's broad catalog means occasional variance in fit and finish. A rare unit may show stiffer initial movement or minor alignment nitpicks on the rack and pinion. Still usable, just not buttery out of the box until it's seasoned with a few runs and a proper food-safe grease. If big batch efficiency is the priority and price per liter looks compelling, it's a strong pick. Just expect a short break-in and check the gear action on arrival. There are also horizontal 7-liter variants if counterclearance is tight, with similar 304 stainless specs and weight that helps stability during cranking. 3. Hakka sausage stuffers. Hakka sits in that sweet spot where enthusiasts start nodding. Stainless frames, hardened gears, 2-speed gearboxes, tilting or removable cylinders depending on model, and reliable air release pistons that keep bubbles from wrecking link consistency. The standout feature users rave about is the easy fill design. Hakka's tilt back or rotating removable cylinder makes loading from a tray so much calmer, and that simple ergonomic shift prevents rushed packing that leads to air pockets later. The gears are a bright spot too. Durable feel, steady torque, and less slop at the handle, which matters when feathering pressure into sheep casings for snack sticks. In practice, control is the vibe. Slow gear for fragile casings, fast gear for pullback and reloads, and the piston's air release doing its job so the casing doesn't blister. If nitpicking, some users mention casing bunching at the elbow of the tube when learning the rhythm. Go a touch slower at the start of each run and the issue fades as pace and paste temperature settle in. Hakka's lineup scales from 5 liters to 15 liters and up, with commercial-leaning builds boasting silicone seals, locking nuts to prevent leaks, and stable base plates that keep the unit planted. Good bones, thoughtfully executed. The brand's reputation is backed by consistent owner feedback across retailers, so it's a confident step up for frequent homemakers and small batch sellers. 2.
Artcorner professional jerky gun for ground meat. Curveball time. Not everyone needs a vertical tank. For snack sticks and jerky strips, a well-built jerky gun is faster, lighter, and way easier to clean on weeknights. Enter Artcorner's stainless accented high-capacity gun with multiple nozzles and a cleaning kit. The use case shines when pushing fine ground blends through narrow tips. Control rests in the wrist, and the manual squeeze rhythm makes it simple to keep flow even across racks or casings for bite-sized sticks. With a proper piston seal and sturdy tube, it handles lean mixes without sputter, and swapping tips mid-batch is quick when alternating snack stick diameter and jerky ribbon widths. There's also a practical benefit: minimal setup, minimal teardown, and the parts clean up in minutes, which nudges more frequent use and experimentation with spice ratios and grind sizes. For small kitchens or apartment cooks, skipping the footprint and weight of a 7 to 15 liter stuffer is liberating. No clearing half the counter just to do a 2-pound test batch. Does it replace a vertical stuffer for big brat runs? No, of course not. But for ground meat sticks, weekend jerky, and let's try a maple pepper snack on a Wednesday, it's a joy. Bonus: foot pedal and electric stuffer videos show what effortless looks like, but a good gun still wins for portability and simplicity when volume is modest.
Master FENG sausage stuffer. Here's the top pick because it nails the fundamentals that actually change stuffing day. Stainless construction across contact points, reliable 2-speed gearing, well-sealed piston with air release, and a cylinder that's easy to load and clean, plus tube options that cover breakfast links to brat diameters without drama. What sets it apart isn't marketing fluff. It's the smoothness in the gear action and the predictable pressure at the handle, which keeps fragile casings intact even when the mix is colder than ideal. Less stop-start, more flow. The design cues mirror the proven features that expert reviewers highlight: sturdy frame, ergonomic handle feel, fast retract gear, and air management that prevents bubble blisters before they start. In real use, this shows up as consistent diameter across the coil, fewer blowouts, and less fiddling with the twist spacing. Set and groove becomes the rhythm rather than stop and poke holes. Load in is quick, cleanup is straightforward, and the stainless surfaces don't hang on to fat film, which keeps the piston seal working like new batch after batch. The brand's current lineup includes upgraded models with enhanced seals and leak-preventing lock hardware that echo commercial machines. Details that reduce mess and keep confidence high when stuffing 10+ pounds at a time. If the goal is a dependable stuffer that stays in the rotation for years and grows with skill, this is the pick to buy once and use hard. Final thought. If a compact budget starter is needed, Leevot covers the basics with minor compromises. If big batch efficiency is calling, VEVOR's 7L brings the muscle. If balance and reliability are the brief, Hakka is the trusty workhorse. If snack sticks and jerky rule the kitchen, the Artcorner gun is delightfully practical. And for an all-around, buy-it-once vertical with the right feel at the handle, Master FENG is the pick that just works every weekend.